So I'm just waiting for, excuse me, I'm just waiting for um to get into the gates. Ganun pala dito. So,
Paano dyan?
mm,
Anong sisted dyan?
ang siste, nagtaka ako kasi when I cleared immigration, yung next na nakita ko duty free na, tapos may mga food court na. So, di ba, dumaan nga ako ng convenience store to buy my 80 krona worth of lunch. So, nagtaka ako, bakit walang security check and x-ray? Tapos wala akong nakikitang ganon facility. So, yun pala, dito, when you get in, kasi B8 yung aking gate. When you go to the actual gate, that's the only time that you go through the security check. So, yung security check niya hindi dun sa right after immigration, as usual. So, I tried to go through na, pero sabi ng attendant, it's too early kasi 2:45 pa yung flight ko. So, I have to wait here pa. I'm just waiting dito sa may mga seats uh, before the B7 B8 gates. So yeah, yarn.
Patong mo sa backrest yung kamay mo kasi maalog.
Yes, I'm now resting my arm on
Ah,
the arm rest.
alright.
But I'm trying to get baby tea from my carry-on, my duffel bag. That's why it's moving. He just wants to say hi and see you soon. So the newly posted reel was our first snow angel. That was the first snow angel I ever made because I never got to do that in Hokkaido. I forgot. Diba? Of all things, I forgot to to make a snow angel. So first time the baby team of snow angel in Switzerland, no less.
Wow.
Swiss Alps. Just
Eh,
stop.
pero manipis yung snow kasi pag ganun-ganun mo, lupa na.
Ano na, lupa na. Yeah, manipis pa lang yung snow eh. We have to make do with what we have.
Ang ingay dito, marami na nagpapaputok sa labas.
Ah, wow. Excited, wala pa nga Christmas. Yun, so buti naman, 50 crowns lang yung na-charge sa akin doon sa cancellation. Kasi I got email notifications from both dun sa dalawang transactions ko. So the first one was just 50. Tapos the other one was 290, the actual ride. So, yun lang, cancellation fee, 50 crowns.
Ah, ganun. So siya na nag-cancel kasi no show ka, ganun.
Well, because in the app, because I asked why eventually I had to cancel because he wasn't picking up the bar when I called. So the app asked me, why are you canceling? And then I just chose the driver did not pick up. So maybe because of that, they did not charge the whole thing and just the cancellation fee, 50 crowns or krona. That's what they say here.
Mhm. But how did you cancel it? Kasi alam mo namang bumaba na siya dun, di ba? Meron bang the
Yeah,
driver is here, ganyan?
yeah, nag-driver is here siya. Tapos sabi ko, I'm on my way. Tapos ano lang yun, parang a minute or less than a minute kasi nasa ano na kami, elevator. Tapos paglabas ko, wala naman siya. Tapos nag-message ako na I'm here. Tapos hindi na siya sumasagot. Tapos I tried calling, hindi rin siya sumasagot. He rejected the call actually. 2 calls. So sabi ko, cancel na lang. So pag pindot ko ng cancel, it went to that page na to for me to give the reason.
Pero yung nag-cancel ka, yun nandiyan ka na sa airport.
No, I canceled there on the sidewalk. because I had to make another booking. So I had to cancel the first one so I can book another driver.
Mm,
So it was instantaneously. And then when I booked the second driver, unlike in Grab in Pinas, meron na agad. So uh, in just a split second, driver is found. And then in 2 minutes, he was arriving. Ganun na siya kabilis. And true enough, he arrived. And that was it. It was very smooth and efficient without any fanfare. That was a very quick transaction, efficient na. Unlike Grab na, 'di ba? You know naman our experience. So, bilis. Sana ganun, sana all.
well, konti lang din sigurong ano dyan. Anong tawag mo? Bolt?
Bolt, B-O-L-T.
Ano
Bolt.
ibig sabihin ng bolt?
Uh, to bolt is that's a verb. To bolt is to leave very quickly, like when you bolt the room,
So
parang
English word
mabilisan
yan.
kang, yeah, mabilisan kang umalis, parang ganun. And
Hindi siya check word.
it's not a Czech word, it's an English word because it's an international ride-sharing app. It's not
Oh,
local. Ang local nila is I forget, pero hindi rin siya Czech word. I don't remember now, but they have a local app. But when I checked Reddit, many people were recommending Bolt. In fact, they recommended it more than they did Uber. So,
so there's
tapos si
also
Amba
Uber
din.
there.
When I asked Amba din, sila din, they use Bolt. So, sabi ko, sige, Bolt. Bolt. I have to message Amba pala that I'm here.
So anong process ng registration? Kasi syempre, how did you get the confirmations? Ganyan, email, ganun.
Grabe, it was so easy. Yeah, you just download the app and then input your email address, and then that's it. You're in, and you can already book. So it was painless. It was streamlined. Wala nang maraming hanash. So napaka-efficient. Sobra.
Piningi rin yung credit card.
I'm loving it. Yeah, because you have option. Either you card or cash, or you can input every time you book a ride. You can choose. So ako naman, I just chose na kasi anyway I'll just be making one ride because who knows when I'll be using Bolt again. So hindi ko na siya in-input for general use, but just for that particular ride. So napaka user friendly considering that I'm not a very techy person and I'm medyo bango when it comes to unlike like in Grab, 'di ba? I have to parang grope my way around the app. Ang Grab app, marami siyang features. Medyo hindi siya user friendly in that sense, comparatively speaking, kasi kailangan mo siyang i-navigate pa. Ito, very straightforward. Although meron din siya mga delivery features and may mga iba pa, hindi ko na binasa yung iba. Pero, ano lang yan. Yun nga, very user-friendly interface. Galing nung IT designer, app designer. And so, Baby T and were whisked to the airport in no time.
Yeah, layo din pala, no? Kasi kung makasabi kang malapit, parang iniisip ko, mga 5 kilometers away.
Well, I said that in contrast with Fiumicino in Rome, which is really malayo. So if you compare it with that, malayo siya. Tapos yung Milan airport din, super layo din niya from the city center. So relatively speaking, itong Vaclav Havel Airport na to is not as far as those Italian city airports.
Yung
So that's where I was coming from.
Fiumicino is like Leonardo da Vinci Airport.
Leonardo da Vinci Airport.
Kano siya?
Leonardo da Vinci
So, how much siya
Fiumicino.
sa Atlantica? How much ang binayaran papuntang
We
Atlantica?
paid 55
So mas
Was
mahal.
parang may €5 siya for the luggage. Mas mahal because yun na nga, di ba sabi ko, it's outside the Aurelian Wall. But that is a fixed, that's a flat rate. So unlike sa atin, there's a lot of room for scam kasi hindi nagfa-flat rate. Dun sa Italy, that's really how it is. So, hindi ko lang alam kung mag-Uber ka if that holds. Pero kasi kami, nagano lang kami, we just flagged down. At, kasi di ba sa Hilton Hotel kami nakita.
Galing, oh.
So, labas
Not from
namin
the
sa
air.
lobby, paglabas sa lobby, siguro may bumaba doon na passenger. Meron agad cab. So, we just hailed it and yun. So, we just took a cab and that's a flat rate, 55 talaga siya.
Tapos cash yung
So,
binayaran ko.
kin-credit card ni, no.
Wow. Kasi may
So,
credit
walang
card machine yung driver.
yes, yes.
Can you
Lahat
tap?
ng cab dito, I guess, sa Europe because
Ganun
they're
na.
mostly cashless. Even their bus ticket, yung mga maliliit na yon, like sa Switzerland, di ba nagbabus lang kami?
Mhm.
I paid by card there as well.
Dito,
Yun.
pwede ka na
You can
mag-beep.
drop coin.
Dito, pwede ka na mag-beep sa MRT ng debit card mo or Mastercard lang yata ngayon.
Tapos sa Prague naman, nung kami ni Diagi, di ba nag-tram kami, binibili pala nila yung ticket nila from convenience stores. So, kaya pala po nung umalis kami, first stop namin sa convenience store. Sabi ko, ano bibilin mo? Sabi niya, yung tram ticket natin. So, yun pala yun. Sa Switzerland kasi, sa bus stop, merong mga machines. So you can buy your ticket there. Sa Prague, wala sila, no such machine in the stops. So, convenience store ang bilihan ng tram ticket. There's a line forming. I don't know what this is for. There
Is,
are people um, going into the gates.
is,
But I
is
don't know
that
what
your
their
gate?
flight is. Yeah, this is my gate kasi 5 B8 B8 ako. So this one is for B7 B8. So that's why I'm seated here.
Anong seat number mo?
But I changed it kasi I forget the aisle
Wala na yung signal mo.
I'll message you later. And of course the flight number and also you can track. Okay,
Yeah.
so
So I
I'll
can
find out
watch
now
you
what this is. I need
via
to go to
Flight Radar 24.
Yes, you can watch me and Baby T fly to you.
See you tomorrow here, Philippine time.
Yeah, yes. The best part of travel is actually going home.
Nagawa mo ng ego.
I'll message you. Ngayon pa lang, kalimutan ko siya totally. So, ngayon gagawin ko siya.
Oo.
Okay?
Alright.